'69 Mustang, real Mach 1. Absolutely beautiful, fully restored about 8 years ago. Looks like it was restored yesterday. Original motors on the stand. In it is a fully built Cleveland with aluminum heads. Got to be 500 horsepower. I think it's dying at 500 horsepower actually. Car is outstanding. Underneath is just as nice. I'll show you under the engine compartment. Lift. Got plenty of pictures of all this stuff. Everything's restored. Everything's original. Except for the engine, obviously, but that is on the stand. Show you interior quick and keep this at a minute. And we'll do a running video now. I'll do a running video for you guys now. The hood's open. Go ahead, start it up. Motor runs absolutely new. Sounds incredible. Go to the back. Let it idle. Motor probably has about 3,000 miles on it. It's a 2-owner car. It is new. Not a nick, not a scratch. Nothing. Runs perfectly, as you can hear.